over there, that summation n, which was 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, right? And this value, Bhavya Verma, can you tell? No response. Ayushi Verma, can you tell? Ayushi. Ayushi Verma, are you listening me? Ayushi Verma, I'm calling your name multiple times. You are not responding. I want to know. I want to know these, sir. My mic is not working. Bhavya Verma is saying many people still there are issues with their mics. I request you all that please make your mics proper. Otherwise, how you'll answer, right? From C section, anyone? Ambika Shringi, can you tell me this first formula, summation n? What is the value of summation n, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n? Or any one of you people listening me, switch on your mic and tell what is. Yes. Yes, this Muhammad Abid, perhaps he was good. N into n plus 1 whole upon 2, and the next is summation n square, which is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. What is that value? Sakshan Jain? What is that value? No response. Ambika Shringi, what is that value? No response. Soumya Bharadwaj? Deepak Kumar Meena? Or Hitesh? There may be two reasons. Either you are Soumya. Can you tell what is this formula, sigma n square? I think you all should. Tanmay Meena will answer, I know. Tanmay, sigma n square. अपने section की इज्जत बताओ. You are so nice, Tanmay.
सर मैं
तन्मय, ठीक है.
2n plus 1 plus 1 by 6.
Correct. Correct. Now, next, this is the next formula is summation n cube, which we discussed in the last day's class. Yes, in the last day's class. Is there anyone in B section can tell? B people?
Sir, n into n plus 1, the whole square divided by 4.
Yes, or divide by 2 whole square, anything way it can be written. Correct, Edwin. So these were the three summation formula that we discussed yesterday, and their proofs also we discussed, and they were interesting. The next question, yes, Gaurav. The next question, 9.4 exercise we were discussing. I remember we completed perhaps question number 5th. Did we do question number 6th also? One minute. Yes. Yes, students. So, did we discuss question number 6? Can you tell me, students? Gaurav is saying yes, sir. Of course. Let us see question number 7th. Let me call someone. Yes. Baladitya, will you read question number 7th?
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 square plus 2 square.
In a bracket.
Yes, sir. Plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square in bracket.
So what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to find it.
Sir, find the sum up to n terms.
Sum up to n terms I have to find. And if you see, each term is a bracket. So, can someone tell me what should be nth term? what should be nth term of it, students?
1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so on.
Up to
N plus n square.
n square,
Up
yeah,
to n square.
up to n square. If you see first term 1 square, second term 1 square plus 2 square, it starts from 1 square to 2 square. Then third term is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So nth term will be starting from 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, and it will go up to n square. Right? This bracket will be there on nth position. So this is nth term. Now I have a formula for this. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square is equals to nn plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole upon 6. Use it. And if you remember, to find out Sn, our target is to find Sn. You know, Sn we find by doing sigma Tn. So, but Tn I want in which form? Students, can you tell me what should I do next? What next should I do, students? Gorvi, what should I do next? I should?
Sir, actually, I didn't attend last class, so I don't know.
Yes, but I appreciate, Gorvi, that you responded at least. See, Gorvi, these three formula are the basic of this exercise. These three formula, first formula is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. That value is nn plus 1 whole by 2. The second is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Its notation is sigma n square. The value is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole upon 6. And similarly, sigma n cube, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, which is 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube, that is value is nn plus 1 whole by 2 whole square. So these formula are to be applied. They will give a series and they will ask what is the sum of n terms. तो मुझे क्या करना है, सबसे पहले nth term लिखना पड़ेगा. मैंने इस सीरीज का nth term लिख दिया जो कि ये आया. Now Sn will be given by summation Tn, this formula. Now what I was asking, that what should I do after this step? See, summation I have to distribute. So distribution is possible when separate terms are there. So I have to multiply. This I was telling. So 1 upon 6 I am keeping out and multiply. So n out first, 2n square plus 2n plus n, 3n plus 1. And this will become 1 upon 6 summation n cube, 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. Now distribute summation sign. This will become 1 upon 6, 2 sigma n cube plus 3 sigma n square plus sigma n. Right. Now let us substitute the value of sigma n cube, sigma n square, sigma n. And if I substitute, it will become 2 into sigma n cube will become equal to n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3, sigma n square value, nn plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole upon 6 plus sigma n. Sigma n value is nn plus 1 whole by 2. Now let us simplify and take common. This will become, I think nn plus 1 whole by 2 is common. So nn plus 1 whole by 2 common I have taken. This is 4 and 2, 4, 2 cancel, 2 out. Here n into n plus 1 will remain plus 2 I have taken out, 2n plus 1 remains plus 1 will remain. Correct? Nn plus 1 whole upon 2 I have taken out. Inside the bracket, this will become n square plus n plus 2n will be 3n plus 2. Factorization of n square plus 3n plus 2, you know well, n plus 1, n plus 2. So this will become this will become nn plus 1 into n plus 1, n plus 2 whole upon 12. And n plus 1 we can merge. So my answer will be n plus 1 whole square, n plus 2. Check the answer, students, and tell me whether it is right. Students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the process is, if at all any student missed yesterday's class, the process to solve the questions in this exercise is that note this formula, keep in mind. Some series must be given. You write its nth term, multiply fully, and then Sn equal to sigma Tn. Distribute sigma, put the value of sigma n cube, sigma n square, sigma n, take common. That's it. This is the whole work.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, Gauri. So even if you missed yesterday's class, no problem. You complete this. The next question we are moving towards. Neha, can you read the next question, which is eighth question? Neha.
Yes, sir. Find the sum to n terms of the series in exercises 8 to 10 whose nth term is given by.
Means nth term is also given. So easier work. Yes, what is that?
N into n plus 1 in bracket into n plus 4 in bracket.
This nth term is given because I want in multiplied form. So first you multiply. This will become n square plus 5n plus 4. It will become n cube plus 5n square plus 4n. So Sn will be sigma Tn. N cube plus 5n square plus 4n. Right? And then this will be, if I distribute sigma n cube plus constant can be taken out of summation, 5 into sigma n square plus 4 sigma n, and put the value of these formula, sigma n cube, which is n square n plus 1 whole square upon 4 plus 5 into n plus 1 2n plus 1 whole upon 6 plus n plus 1 whole by 2 into 4. Okay. Now let us take common. What is common, students? Students, what is common?
Sir, n plus 1
n into
divided
n
by
plus 1 by
2.
2.
प्लस 1/2
बाई 2 आप देख लीजिए, मैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करता हूं, तो इसको ऐसे ही रखता हूं, देन होल अपॉन 2 विल कम कॉमन. ओके, लेट अस टेक. So this becomes equal to n plus 1 whole by 2 taken out, and in the bracket it will have, you will get n plus 1 whole upon 2 plus kitna 5 2n plus 1 whole upon 3 plus 4. This is LCM. What is LCM? 6. Let us take 6 out. N plus 1 whole by 2 into 6. You can say कि मैंने 6 से अंदर multiply करा दिया. So it will be 4. No. 2 3s are 6. 3 n plus 1 plus 2 5 2n plus 1 plus 24. 24. Okay. This will become n plus 1 whole upon 12 equal into 3n square plus 3n plus 20n plus 10 plus 24. Students, be ready to check the answer and tell me, is this factorizable? Is this factorizable? Students, is this factorizable?
Yes, sir.
17 into 2 into 3. 17 into 6. 17 and 6 is 23. Factorizable. So let us factorize it. Nn plus 1 whole by 12, 3n square plus 23. I will write 17n plus 6n plus 34 and take common.
Sir, in the book, last answer is given just before this step.
Okay,
This.
this only they have given.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. We can write factorized form. Maybe हम लिख सकते हैं. If I take n common, it will be 3n plus 17 and n common. Then 2 common if I take 3n plus 17. So n plus 2. Check. This will be factorized. So this is the final simplified factorized answer. In the answer sheet, they have given this only. So no problem. You can leave there also. This we have completed. It was question number 8th, 9th question. Let us see. What is that? Neha, 9th question.
Yes, sir.
9th क्या है?
N square plus 2 की power n.
Term n is n square plus 2 raised to power n. Okay. Students, and as usual, as I say always, that do not simply watch. There may be two kinds of cases, the ones who have not completed the previous work, or the other variety who have completed this exercise before this class. In both the cases, I request that keep solving with me simultaneously during this live class, as we do in our usual class. That will create more joy, right? So let us solve it. Term n is ready in front of me. I have to use Sn equal to sigma n square, sigma Tn value let us put, and distribute sigma. Yes, distribute sigma. This will become summation n square plus summation 2 raised to power n. Summation n square, I have a value. What about summation 2 raised to power n? What should I do, students?
Sir, 2 into 2 and 2 की power n minus 1 whole divided by 2 minus 1.
सर जीपी बनेगी ये.
How? Yeah.
सर जीपी का जनरल टर्म होगा ये.
Yes, Devansh, you are telling something? नहीं. Praved, you are telling something.
सर ये जीपी बनेगी.
जीपी बनेगी, करेक्ट. कैसे देखते हैं? इसका तो वैल्यू पहले पुट कर देता हूं. nn plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole upon 6 I am writing. And for this, use the sigma definition, which says that first the lowest value of n you put, which is 1, 2 raised to power 1, plus sign you use, and the higher value, 2 raised to power 2, then again plus sign, 2 raised to power 3, then dot up to the last n. So 2 to power n. And this is a GP. And GP n terms formula is known to you. That is a r raised to power n minus 1 whole upon r minus 1. That's it. One more line and you get your answer. A is 2, r is also 2, 2 square upon 2. R is also 2. Number of terms are n upon 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1 only. This is the answer. ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. Question 10th, what is that? Tanmay Khelar, can you tell what is 10th question? Tanmay?
Yes, sir. 2n minus 1 का whole square.
What is that?
2n minus 1 का whole square.
Whole square. What should I do, students?
सर 4n square minus 4n plus 1 हो जाएगा उसका tn.
बिल्कुल. Whole square we have to open. Yes. Correct. And then I have to use Sn equal to sigma Tn. So let us use it. Sn equal to sigma Tn. So 4 sigma n square minus 4 sigma n plus sigma 1. You know sigma 1 how much? Students, you know? Sigma 1 is how much?
N.
N, because sigma 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times. So sigma 1 means n. Put the value. 4 sigma n square sigma n square value is nn plus 1 2n plus 1 whole upon 6 minus 4 nn plus 1 whole by 2 plus n sigma 1 value. Now take common. N is common out. In the bracket you'll have 2 n plus 1 2n plus 1 whole upon 3 plus 2n plus 1 plus 1. Take LCM. 3 is LCM. N by 3.
Sir, it should be minus 2n plus 1.
Oh, I'm sorry, minus. Okay, minus. Then 3 out. So 2n square plus 2n plus n plus 1 minus 2n minus 2 plus 1. This will become n by 3. 3 से multiply कराया है. One more. So 4n square plus 3n, 3 2s are 6, n plus 2 minus 6n minus 6 plus 3. And my answer is 4n square minus 1. Is this 2, 3, 5 minus 6 minus 1? Check the answer, students. Is this the answer? Huh? Is this the answer, students? Check.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
है ना, फैक्टराइज आप कर लीजिए 4n स्क्वायर माइनस 1 को 2n होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 स्क्वायर a plus b a minus b, and this is our answer. So this we complete the exercise 9.4. All the students please come to the miscellaneous exercise. You know, in class 10 NCERT book there were some exercises in which it used to be written that these questions are not from examination point of view. कुछ लोग 10th के स्टूडेंट्स जो पास होके आते हैं वो 11th में मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज की तुलना उन क्वेश्चन से करते हैं. तो नो, this miscellaneous exercise here are mandatory questions. We have to solve them compulsorily, and these questions are super beautiful questions and very important for examination point of view. So in fact they are the most important in the whole chapter, because there are a lot of variety and twists also you can see. So we have to solve them, right? And similarly miscellaneous examples also we have to solve in all the chapters. So question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise आप देख लीजिए and read someone. Sumit Tiwari, will you read first question of miscellaneous exercise? Sumit. Sumit Tiwari. Sumit
Yes,
Tiwari. Are you there listening, Sumit?
Yes, sir.
Can you read question number first of miscellaneous exercise? Sumit, are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Good. So first question, please tell. What is that?
Just a second.
मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि that keep your textbook ready in front of you, because I will not exempt anyone. I will call either now or afterwards. So be ready with your textbook, as and when I call your name, immediately you should speak. Yes, Sumit.
Show that the sum of m plus nth and m minus nth terms of an AP is equal to twice the mth term.
So I have to show that sum of m plus n and m minus nth term is equal to twice the
mth term.
mth term m. This I have to show. Okay. First of all, assume. Let the AP, this is about AP or GP? Sumit?
Sir, AP.
AP it is.
AP.
Let the AP is assume the AP first. A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. Then begin with LHS. Automatically everything, if written correct, RHS you will get. Simple it is, super simple. Begin. Begin with LHS. Even it is so simple that people may think why there is no need to ask even. Term m plus n will be A plus m plus n minus 1 into D plus term m minus n. This will be A plus m minus n minus 1 into D. What next, students? Simplify. 2A, 2A plus D common, and then you'll get m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 and get cancelled, and 2m minus 2 common from the every whole, and it will become m minus 1 into D. And this is what, students? This is the value of
M at term.
m at the term m. And this is what we wanted to bring, RHS. So simple application of formula of term n. Put the value, automatically things will come. So super simple, very simple it is. Uma Sharma, can you read the next second question? Uma? Uma Sharma or Vijit Balsori? Uma or Vijit? There is no response from them. It's clear meaning that they are not active. Harsh Narayan, can you read the next question, second? Harsh Narayan? Yes, Harsh, second question, miscellaneous exercise. Hmm. 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 Harsh, miscellaneous exercise, not examples. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. Yes. Yes, yes, go ahead. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So let the three numbers in AP are, many times when we have to assume three numbers, we can assume like A minus D, A plus D. Three numbers, if I have to assume in AP, I can assume like this. So let us assume A minus D, A plus D. And the benefit is that D get cancelled when you write the sum. And sum is given 24. And D get cancelled, and here you get A. So A is how much? A is 8. And product is also given. So product, let us multiply these three numbers. Three numbers, if you multiply, it is 440. And I have the value of A here. Simplify. So D square, 64 minus 55, how much, students?
So 9.
5, 4, 9. 9, yes, 9. So should I take plus minus? Take plus minus 3, no problem. The numbers are these are the numbers a minus d. My a is 8. 8 minus 3 means 5, then 8, then 8 plus 3, 11. Or if I take d equal to minus 3, then 8 plus 3 will be 11, 8, 5, like that. So same set of numbers you will get. Either you take d equal to plus 3 or you take d equal to minus 3. This was question number 2. Question number 3, I'm asking you someone to read from C section. Somebody, Pratham, are you there? Pratham, C section. Pratham Kumar, are you there listening me? Will you read third question? Pratham, Shubham, or Vishesh? Any one of these three? Pratham, Shubham, or Vishesh? They are not there, it seems. Ambika Shringi. Ambika Shringi, are you listening me? Ambika Shringi, are you listening? No, Ambika Shringi is not present in the meeting. Karthik Verma or Aman Khan, are you there listening me? No, they are not there. Karthik Verma, Aman Khan, no response from them. Rajesh Kumar Verma, Karthik Verma, Rajesh Verma, or Ayushi Verma? Rajesh, can you read the next question? Third question, please read. Yes. Okay. One minute. S1 is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of any AP, right? Okay. Then, okay. S2 equal to S2n terms and S3 is, then what I have to prove? Huh. This I have to prove. So I think let us know the value of S1, S2 and S3. S1 is AP, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. आप कहेंगे a और d क्या है? So I'll assume let AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, and etc. Then S2n will be 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d, and S3n is 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. So your suggestion, how to begin, students? Can someone suggest me how to prove? कैसे शुरू किया जाए? Ayushi Verma, your suggestion. How to begin? Ayushi Verma, listening me? There is no Ayushi Verma currently, I think.
So we can solve the RHS side first.
Yes, this is the obvious thing anyone can think, that because RHS is looking a bit bigger, so let us simplify RHS and we hope that LHS should come. So let us begin with RHS. Yes, Divash, you are right. RHS will be 3s2 minus s1 and 3. Let us put the value of s2. S2 is 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and then this will become what, students? Multiply. Let us multiply 2an plus 2n minus 1 into n into d minus 2 get cancelled, an minus n into n minus 1 into d upon 2. And further, if I simplify, this will become 2an minus an is an plus d common. In the bracket, I'll get multiply 2n square minus n minus multiply d out, then n square by 2 and minus minus plus n by 2. Let us simplify further. This will become, here I can write, this will become 3an plus d 2n square minus n square by 2 is 3n square by 2 minus minus n plus n by 2 is minus n by 2. And if I take n common, 3n, then a plus d tn by 2 minus 1 by 2. Then 2 also out, 3n by 2 in the bracket, 2a plus d into 3n minus 1. And this is what, students? This entire thing is the value of what? Of S3. So this is equal to left hand side. Right. So here we complete this question, and this also was simple if you analyze. Given quantity was some of n terms, some of 2n terms, and some of 3n terms was given. I simply wrote their formula. Then see, to show a statement, begin with LHS, put the value, simplify, आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना है ना? जब भी वो फ्रैक्शन में आया प्लस माइनस साइन ज्यादा हुए, often we lose our patience. नहीं, you have to maintain patience. We can take the one more question. The next question, question number 4. Somebody please read. Dhananjay Lohami, will you read 4th question? Dhananjay? No. Kramik Kumar Singh, will you read 4th question? No response. Kramik? Kuldeep Shakyawal?
Yes, sir.
Kuldeep, can you read 4th question and suggest me that how to begin?
Yes, sir. Find the sum of all numbers between 200 and 400 divided by 7, divisible by 7.
First number should be how much? Between 200
and 400.
400.
Divide.
First number divisible by 7 will be how much?
Sir, divide 200 by 7. Then add the remainder.
Then if I divide by 7, it will be 7 to the 14. Then 660. 7 8 56. 228. This is not divisible by 7.
Sir, 203, I think.
203. Correct. 203 will be divisible by 7 because 7 2s are 14. Then 63. 7 9 is 63. This will be divisible by 7. So first number is 203. I should begin with 203. Then up to which number I should go?
399. 399.
99. This I divide by 7. 7 5 is 35. Then 4 49.
So 59 will come.
Yes.
Sorry.
Correct. This is the sequence. And the next number divisible by 7 will be 210, 217, and etc. 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 There's some I have to find. Is this what I have to find?
Yes, sir. Find sum of all numbers.
Sum of all these numbers. First of all, n I have to get. That how many terms are there. So for that, Tn formula let us use. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, which means 399 is nth term, equal to 203 plus n minus 1 into d is 7. Simplify. How much?
Sir, 29. N equal to 29.
29. N equals to 29. Terms are there. Then Sn I can find out. It will be 29 by 2 into 2a. A is 203 plus n minus 1 into d. This calculation is to be simplified. 29, 2 I am cancelling. 28, 2 से cancel हुआ तो बचा 14 into 7. This calculation you please simplify. है ना? And get your answer. Correct, students? So simple only, you can obtain the answer easily. So here, this was question number probably fourth question. And quite similarly, question number fifth is also there. Shall we take that also? Fifth also, let us see. Nilesh, are you listening me? Will you read question number fifth? Nilesh? Ankit Jangid will read. Ankit, fifth question, please read.
So find the sum of the integers from 1 to 100.
Okay.
That are divisible by 2 or 5.
Divisible by 2 or 5. Ankit, you only tell.
10, 20, 30 ऐसे करके 100 तक.
First number
10 हो जाएगा. First term 10 हो गई.
Ankit.
So it is written 2 or 5. Then 2, 4, 6 should also come.
Ankit, यहाँ पे 2 and 5 नहीं है, यहाँ पे 2 और 5 है.
वही बोला था मैंने.
हाँ नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि तो इससे सिर्फ 10, 20 नहीं आएगा, 2, 4, 6, 8 भी आ जाएंगे, है ना? So what numbers will come here? 2, 4, 6, 5 also will come. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. Are you getting, students? The last ones, what should be? The last numbers?
100.
100. And 95 will also come. So is this an AP?
No, sir.
No. 5 is the problem. 5 is the problem, 15 is the problem, etc.
Sir,
etc.
then can we take them separately and then add them?
Correct. Easiest, best. So the terms which are problematic in between, separate them. That also will form an AP. So I am going to take two APs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. up to 100. This is AP number 1. And the other ones, 5, 15, 25, up to 95. This is AP number 2. And their total sum will be our final answer. So for the first one, S1 will be equal to n by 2. How many n are there? Can you tell me, someone? What is n?
50.
Huh?
50.
It
50.
should be 50.
N equal to 50 here. And here n equal to 10. It is so easy to make a guess. So 50 upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. D is 2 here. Simplify, and then S2 will become n by 2. N is 10, 10 by 2, 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. D here is 10. Give a simplification. This will become 50 into 2 plus 49. It will be 50 into 51. And this will become 10 into 5 plus 9 into 5. 500 this is, and this is how much? Final answer is how much? There's some. Is this the right answer? Check, students.
It's the right answer.
Correct hai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So this was question number 5. So here we conclude our today's class. Thank you so very much for attending this class.